Good morning, class. We are going to be going on a field trip today. Now, normally if we were in class, we would be walking around Anchor Point to go on this field trip. But because we are all at our homes and we are staying away from people, that's going to be kind of tricky. So instead of walking around Anchor Point, we are going to go on a virtual field trip to Anchor Point. So, first of all, where is Anchor Point, Alaska? If you see right here, Anchor Point, Alaska is on North America, which we already learned about, and in the United States, and we're all the way up here at the top of the United States. So I made Alaska a little bit bigger. So here's the state of Alaska, here's the Kenai Peninsula, and you see I'm pointing right here to the Kenai Peninsula. If you make the peninsula a little bit longer or a little bit bigger, here's Anchor Point. So if you're landing in Anchorage, you come all the way down around this road, then you follow it all the way down here to Anchor Point. So that is where Anchor Point is on the map. So when you drive into Anchor Point, what would you see? Or where would you go? The first place you could go is the post office. And the post office is an important place because this is where most of you get your mail. If you go into the post office, you're going to find your post office boxes. You're also going to find Miss Lorraine. So here's Miss Lorraine, and her job is to let you buy stamps so you can mail things, and to also make sure that your mail gets in the correct box. So the next time you're in the post office, say, "Hi, Miss Lorraine," and let her know that we appreciate all that she does for our town. The next place that you might see is Ramiros. And Ramiros is one of my family's favorite places to get food when I am not wanting to cook dinner at night. So when we go to Ramiros, we stand outside of this door right here, this window, and we talk to the Ramiros family, and we let them know what we'd like to order. And what my family likes to order are their cheeseburgers. So here's a picture of their cheeseburgers with their onion rings. We are really lucky to have them in our community. The next place that we might go visit or see is Chapman School. Now, Chapman School is a really important place for all of us because this is where we normally go to school. So right now, I know that I am missing school, but I also know, though, that that Chapman School is still there, so we can see it when we go past, and hopefully soon one of these days we'll all be able to go back inside. So as I was going through pictures, I saw some pictures of us inside. This is from our Dr. Seuss day. You can see Marley's reading with Kaya, and they're having so much fun reading together inside of the gym. Another place you might see if you go to Anchor Point is Lazy Lotte. And I know that I like to go to Lazy Lotte to order tea or hot chocolate. And when I'm there, I might see Miss Kristi and her little boy William. And they are excellent at taking your order and getting you drinks. And sometimes on holidays, they even give free hot chocolates to little kiddos. So next time you see Miss Kristi or Mr. William, say hi and let them know that we appreciate having them in Anchor Point. Ooh, now this place is a place that I go to every spring. This is the Anchor Point Greenhouse, and some of you have probably already been there before. Some of you might not have been here before. But if you go to the greenhouse, you're going to see Mr. Owl, and he is the owner of the greenhouse, and he grows plants and flowers and vegetables that you can grow at your home or that you can buy from him. So that's a really neat place to visit, and we're really lucky to have him at Anchor Point. Now, this place is called the Cheeky Moose. The Cheeky Moose is a place that you can go to get lunch, or you can also go there to use their washing machines back here or their showers. Some people do not have washing machines or showers that work in their house, especially during the winter time, and so they can go here to get their laundry done, which is really cool that we have that in our community. You'll also sometimes see that there's art projects from the school there, so be sure to watch for those when the next time you go in. A new place that we have in our community is called the SVT Health and Wellness Center. And you can see down here it looks like Mrs. Stokes in this picture is feeling kind of sick. This is where you'd go if you were feeling sick or for a checkup. And this is what you might see inside. There's artwork inside. There's also typical things that you'd see inside your doctor's office. So this is a place that you might go if you go to see the doctor. Another important person and an important place in Anchor Point is Dr. Aston's dentist office. Now you might be thinking, Aston, that kind of sounds familiar. If you are thinking that sounds familiar, you're right, because Owen knows this guy. This is Owen's dad. He is our dentist. And if you go into the dentist office, you might see Dr. Aston, and you'll go and you'll sit in the dentist chair, and he'll check to make sure that your teeth that they are healthy and that you are doing a good job taking care of them. Another important place in our community is Helping Hands. In Helping, this is what it looks like on the outside. Inside, you might find toys or clothes or different things that you might need in your house that people have donated there that you can get for your family. So that's a really great place to go. One of my favorite places in Anchor Point is the beach. And at the beach, you do cool things. You might go and just walk on the beach and look for shells, or you might also go there to go fishing. In the summertime, there's lots of boats come, so these big tractors can send them out into the ocean to go catch fish. But you can see some of our volcanoes that are across from Anchor Point, like Mount Redoubt and Mount Iliamna. So that's really, really cool to see. Anchor Point is also known for its great fishing. Right now the river kind of looks like this because it's still frozen, but in the springtime and in the summer and the fall, you might see lots of fishermen there that are trying to catch fish. So these are the important things that I and some of our community members thought were important about Anchor Point. The next time that you're out driving around, be sure to watch for different places that you think are important to Anchor Point or places that are your favorite places. Have a good day, class.